Let's take a look at this knife from Almar, the Warrior's Edge. Inside of this insert, they've got the instruction manual. It's kind of cool. Then the knife itself is inside of this holder. It's got a warning on the back here above the belt clip. You take that off and see the cool Almar logo on the back. So this, I believe the clip can come off and go to either side. It's got a lanyard hole on the back there. Very nice green G10 scales. Super easy opening. Kind of a cool thick blade. Easy to open. Liner lock there. Quick open. Great profile. Very easy to hold on to. It's got a little notch in the handle to get easier access to the liner lock. You've got the Almar, easy to see. The AMK 2110. Very sturdy, very practical knife. It's not too thin. It's got a good grip to it. Nice strong clip. Everything you'd expect from Almar in great packaging. Makes a great gift. Hope this helps.